I made this and it was the most amazing drink I've ever had in my life, and it knocked me out. And then I woke up at 4 a.m. with the most violent shit of my entire life. I was doubled over in pain, clothes on the floor, grip in the toilet seat. I wanted to fucking die. 10 out of 10 would do again.
That's good dancing. That's a good dancing. Oh, I got the loudest coffee maker in the world. Watch how loud this shit is.
Did you feed your grandma Play-Doh? How many times did I have to?
Yeah.
No! Damn it! What the fuck? Am I fired? I just started. This motherfucker, he slipped. I just got started. He ripped the shit off. I feel naked. I'm just here.
We asked this man for a ride so my haters could see how wealthy I've been doing.
We're almost there, sir.
Hold on, bitch! Wait!
Almost to the main road, sir. Hold on. There we go. Oh, sorry, a little bump. You enjoying your beverage?
Oh shit! What the fuck? Wait!
How's your mental health?
It's alright. We don't need therapy.
I hate him! I hate him!
I've been married to this man for 12 years and I caught him in a lie. Because he told me when we got together he wanted a free-spirited woman. But suddenly I become a problem when I have a dance battle with the crackhead at the 7-Eleven. And I know I was finna win too.
Perk, Zan, Bean, Molly, Russ, and Raw.
With our powers combined.
The boy who lived, come to die.
Mom! What are you doing in here?
When I close my eyes, I can't see.
Well,
I mean,
when I close my eyes, I can't see.
Oh, girl, come on.
What if they moan like turtles? Wait, turtles moan? Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm about to cry. They are beating that tortoise up. You hear me?
You know who's a real alpha male? Shrek. That's the real stand-up guy. You know who's not an alpha male? Lord Farquaad. The point is, be like Shrek. Don't be Farquaad.
Hi, how are you doing? Are you married?
I'm doing well. I'm gay.
Well, I could be gay with you. We could be happy together. How about that?
You know,
something to think about.
You know, honestly, I like the confidence.
Your vagina holds on to emotions.
Ayo, y'all got that depressy? Smash.
Hey. Oh, shall we just... Welcome back. Off you go.
I do. They heard I was good. They wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. Now it's me and me.
I'm not having sex with you.
Seems rude and also short-sighted.
I look at you and go dry like sand.
You are The more you toy with me, the harder my cock gets. There are softer oak trees.
I could just kill you.
You won't have to.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. 1278.
Wait, what happened?
1278.
I ain't even ordered yet, big bro.
1278. Pull to the window. Well, let me get a double Western bacon cheese.
Yes. A double Western bacon cheeseburger, extra barbecue sauce with 3 tenders, 2 ranch, and 2 barbecue sauces. Why'd you plan Trail Demetrius Jefferson Lopez?
Well, damn, baby. How you know it's me?
You only that come to my drive-thru saying, you're at 2:55 p.m. And I can smell that cheap-ass roast cologne.
Hey, you good, baby. You need a raise. But, yeah, let me get that in a chocolate shake. Yeah, let me get a chocolate shake. You know I wanted a chocolate shake since you know everything. Yeah, let me add a chocolate shake.
Stop playing with me. I just clocked in. And you lactose intolerant. You don't drink no milk.
You single?
If you don't ask about him, he ain't gonna ask about you. How about that?
So am I the side dude or is he the side dude?
He's here for something and you're here for something, so.
How long you been with him?
17 years.
Wait, 7? How you can't do it? You can't do him like that.
This is fine, right? Like, this is cute. But right here, ready? This is cute too. There's nothing wrong with this. However...
Stevie, I don't like your boyfriend. Your boyfriend's homophobic.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
He doesn't like bi girls. That doesn't make him.
He doesn't like bi. Hola, soy Dora. Can you say bandera roja? That means can you say red flag?
Mayonnaise bird duty.
The bus in the area so dirty, they pull on my body like that.
Oh man, let me see. What are you doing? It's like mayonnaise.
Dude's like, I can't date a girl that's taller than me. I do not. Girl, get this lover. It don't matter to me. Can I reach your lips? You just can't be, I don't care if you bigger than me, you can't just be like bigger than me, you know? Like, I want to get in an argument with my lady and think, oh, snap, she mad, you know, like, not, oh, snap, she mad, you know, like, not that.
58, 59. Why your grown ass wearing pajamas? What? This ain't pajamas. It's a warm-up suit. What are you warming up for? Stuff, duh. What sort of stuff? Super cool shit that you wouldn't understand. Like sleeping? These aren't goddamn pajamas!
No one gives a fuck.
Sad bitch number 2. Who's number 1?
Zach fucked me over. He fucked
That
all
makes
of us
sense.
over.
Kayla, can I see your tattoo? Oh.
Action.
We should be doing like this side.
Eric, I checked your
Dad, can I get a ride?
No, I checked your browsing history.
Okay, I was honestly trying to spell pianist, and then all of a sudden that all just popped up, and I did not know that was gonna...
I'm talking about these.
What?
How to hurt your grandma.
Found some pretty good ideas.
Is it illegal to hit your grandma?
Turns out, yes, it is.
Are old women strong?
Okay, that one wasn't clear.
How much does a hitman cost?
$10,000.
How to make $10,000 fast?
Wasn't very helpful.
How much is 3 nickels?
Not that much.
Where to get a hitman for 15 cents?
There is none.
I just don't get it. Are teachers allowed to date students?
They are not.
What does consent mean?
That one wasn't clear either.
Is Mr. Turner single?
He's not.
Who is Mr. Turner's wife?
Some bitch named Stephanie.
Do you go to jail if you cheat on your wife?
You don't.
Will a hitman take out 2 people?
Grandma, Stephanie.
This is ridiculous. Will I go to jail if I hire the hitman?
I will.
Do you get to take showers with other people in jail?
You do.
What happens in the shower at jail?
Boy.
Things that people go to jail for.
Robbing banks.
What does robbery mean?
To steal stuff.
What is the closest bank to my house?
Down the street.
This is crazy. Where do you need a ride to?
What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm fine. Gun fingers if you're a real raver.
Here are 6 ways that you can use rollerblades on trampolines. Number 1, don't.
It's a girl.
I know she's in here. I know. Ooh, shoot.
Don't go in that closet.
Don't
go in that closet.
I'm gonna go in the closet.
Don't go in that closet. Don't you go in that closet. I told you. Get your stupid ass back in that motherfucking
closet. You ain't doing this today. Get your stupid skinny ass back in this closet today. You long neck demon. Get your ass back in that closet and stay in there. You ain't doing this today. Fuck that. Don't try to fight. Oh, stay in there.
We are brother and sister technically, but that's my boyfriend and
God damn it, white people can't have nothing. That was our thing.
I'm on my period. Shawty, it's okay. I love finger painting.